My name is Doug Skomer. I'm the Executive Director of Hart Home Builder. Hart Home Builder is a small, semi-custom home builder, primarily building on the west side of Fort Worth. Being as small as we are, we don't have the resources to be able to afford a full-time on-site selling director. And so those things were being handled, all the sales activities, follow-up, working with the salespeople were being handled by myself and the owner of the company. And that posed a lot of challenges because a lot of times we just didn't have time to focus on the needs that the salespeople have to help close deals, get information so that they can better accomplish the task that they had in front of them. As we sought out to find a solution for our sales issues, we were looking for a company that we wouldn't have to necessarily have a person come on staff, but have like an outside consultant that would be able to come in and help us. And that's really where Sales Solve Everything came into play. We met with Ralph and Marsu early on when they first started their company and really got to know their heart and desire and the things that they could offer us as a small company to help grow our sales team and help actually make our sales team a lot more effective and get them to be able to close more deals. As we started to work with Sales Solve Everything and their team, one of the things that we noticed was a little bit more of a confidence level in our sales team. They were able to overcome objections easier because of the consultation they would get from Ralph or Marsu as they're out there in the field. They had somebody that they actually could go to on a regular basis to kind of walk through and up and kind of put together a strategy on how to actually get that deal closed. One of the tools that Sales Solves Everything offers to their clients is a thing called Sales Bites. And we've been with them since they actually introduced Sales Bites so many years ago. And Sales Bites is really a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week sales counselor that can help people overcome objections. There's bites for just about anything that you would accomplish, dealing with a multicultural buyer, showing and demonstrating a model, properly putting together features and benefits, actually overcoming objections, different closes. I mean, just the list keeps going on and all the things that they have in these little 20-minute nuggets that you can get online any day of the week, any time of the week. And the beauty for that, from our perspective, was that our salespeople actually had a resource they could go to whenever they needed to without anybody else watching over them and get some information, maybe get a little tip or maybe a little tune-up that would actually help them close deals and overcome some of the challenges that they were facing in working with different people. As an executive director of a home builder, I would recommend Sales Solve Everything to anybody out there that needs or don't even think they need help with sales. They have come into our organization and transformed the organization from a ho-hum, average, mediocre sales force to what I would consider a world-class sales force. And that's not something that can be done easily or something that we took lightly. We put them through a lot of tests and ringers, and what has come out of it has been a fantastic transformation of our sales team to one that I would put up against anybody in our area.